Good morning, student. Today to start our business session, we start with forms of business organization. We are doing actually an under a company organization. Now we will discuss about features of a company. Now there are 9 features of a company, 8 features of a company. First is incorporated association of person. Second is artificial legal person. Third is separate legal entity. Fourth is perpetual succession. Fifth is limited liability. Sixth is common seed. Seventh is transferability of shares. Eighth is separation of ownership and management. Now we will discuss about incorporated association of person. A company is incorporated association of person because created by law. Under Companies Act, no single individual can form a big company. A minimum number of 7 persons are required to form a public company, and 2 persons are required for form a private company. Hence, a company is an association of person which has more than one person. Now, second is artificial legal person. A company is an artificial legal person because it's created by law, so it's an artificial person. A company is called an artificial person because it is only created by law. It is an invisible individual having no body and soul because it's created by law. A person cannot perform physical action, but it has all the legal rights to proceed against anybody, can hold property as an owner, maintain it or sell it, and can write a bill of exchange. Now, separate legal entity. The existence of a company is separate and free from its members. A company can keep property in its name and enter into agreement. It can file a suit against anybody, and anybody can file suit against the company. All the liability and assets belong to the company itself and not to the owners. It was a case with Karta in Hindu United Family. It was case in unlimited liability of partnership. It was case in sole proprietorship. But in this case, the liability and asset belong to the company. The owners, they don't have any. The members of the company are not bound by the action of the company, and the company is also not responsible for action of its members. Now, fourth is perpetual succession. The life of the company is completely more stable than all forms of business organization. The shows goes on, no matter who comes, no matter who goes. Because the company is an artificial person and therefore there is no question of its natural death. At the same time, it is not affected by the debt or bankruptcy of any shareholder or director. Since it is a legal person, it can go out of existence only through legal processes. Like take an example of your Yes Bank. Now Rana Kapoor is behind the bars, but Yes Bank is going on. So shows go on. Thank you.